Love Train here, bringing you guys another unboxing, more of a unbagging. This is a Amazon product. It's a Amazon Basics. It's a HDMI to DVI adapter. It's 9.8 feet or in this case 3 meters. I ordered it, of course, directly from Amazon, and it's a HDMI to DVI adapter cable. So let's go ahead and unbag this. Alright, so you get your bag there. Again, HDMI cable. You get a little yellow paper with some basic information using the cable. It also gives you information on the model, different languages, the type. This says it's a, let's see here, works with your TV, Blu-ray, PS3, computer, etc. And let's see, what is the model number that they have listed here? Doesn't say. It looks like it's a B001TH7T2U. So again, comes with a little yellow, different languages, basic information, compatibility. Here's the cable, of course. It's a HDMI to DVI adapter. It's gold-plated tips. Pretty sturdy cable. Type of cable, it looks like it's a, of course, Amazon Basics high-speed HDMI cable. It's a E2028888 style cable. It does require a 80 Celsius temperature with 30 volts. It does have the Amazon logo on there. So it's your HDMI. It says Amazon on both sides. And here's the DVI. Again, gold plated also. It's a digital Amazon Basics logo there. Alright, so there you are. It's a basic HDMI to DVI cable from Amazon Basics. This is Love Train again. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, share the video, leave a comment. Thanks again.